Once the air reaches the alveoli, that's where gaseous exchange is going to occur. So the exchange of gases between the external environment, the air that we've brought into the respiratory system, and the internal environment, the blood. A couple of important things to note before we talk about that process of change. The arrangement of the alveoli in those collection of small air sacs, so massive amounts on the end of all those tiny bronchioles, in each one of those surrounded by a dense network of capillaries, means we get a huge surface area for gaseous exchange to occur. So that's really maximising the amount of gases we can move in and out of the system. In addition, the actual structural components as well make a difference. So capillaries, very, very thin, only one cell thick. Alveoli the same. So there's a very, very short pathway for diffusion to occur. Again, hopefully to maximise the amount of gases that move in and out of the bloodstream. So at the alveoli, oxygen diffuses from the alveoli into the blood. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood into the alveoli, and then we carry on with ventilation, breathing in and out to ensure we have plenty of oxygen coming in, plenty of carbon dioxide coming out. That key word I use there, diffusion, is really, really important. Diffusion is the process by which these gases move. And diffusion is controlled by pressure gradients. All right. Within a mixture of gases, which air has, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and various other gases in very, very small quantities, each one exerts a partial pressure onto the whole. For simplicity of understanding, partial pressure can be likened to just concentration, amount of gas within that mixture. And so what we need for diffusion to occur is a pressure gradient. We need to have a difference in pressure on one side to the other. So again, difference in concentration. And gases will move, like most things in sort of nature, they look for balance, equilibrium, to be the same on both sides. So gases will diffuse from an area of high partial pressure to an area of low partial pressure, from where there are lots to where there is little. So the fresh air we've brought in is rich in oxygen. The blood getting back to the lungs is very low in oxygen, because that oxygen's been used up by the muscles and other tissues on its way around the body. So we have a pressure gradient there. So the oxygen will diffuse from the high pressure area in the alveoli into the low pressure area in the blood. Carbon dioxide has the opposite situation. The air that we've breathed in from the environment is relatively low in carbon dioxide. The blood returning from the body is high in carbon dioxide, with carbon dioxide being a byproduct of exercise or byproduct of energy production. So the carbon dioxide will diffuse from that area of high partial pressure in the blood to low partial pressure in the alveoli. Ventilation continues and we bring fresh air back in, and the process goes on and on.